This is IT, Mastering Proximity in English. Hello, English learners. In today's video, we're going to discuss an important part of English grammar, the demonstrative determiner, this. Specifically, we'll focus on how to use this when referring to something close in distance. Remember, getting a grip on these small words can make a big difference in your English communication skills. This is a demonstrative determiner we use in English to refer to a specific person or thing close at hand or being indicated or experienced. For example, if you're at a shop and you want to buy a shirt that you're holding, you could say, "I'll buy this shirt." The determiner, this, is primarily used to refer to people or things that are close to the speaker, either physically or in a conversation. When you're talking about something you can touch or is close to you, you use this. Here's an example. Imagine you're in a museum and you're standing next to a painting. You might say, "This painting is beautiful." Here, this is used to refer to a nearby object, the painting that is close to you in terms of distance. In addition to physical distance, this can also be used to indicate closeness in a conversation or discussion. It can be used to refer to an idea, situation, or topic that is currently being discussed or just mentioned. For example, if someone just shared a story, and you want to comment on it, you might say, "This is an interesting story." In this case, this is not about physical proximity, but rather about conversational or conceptual closeness. Let's practice with some examples to reinforce your understanding. 1. This book I'm holding is my favorite. 2. Do you see this dog next to me? It's so cute. 3. What do you think of this idea? Notice how in all these examples, this is used to refer to something close either physically or conversationally. And that's it for today. We hope that this video has helped you understand how to use the word this in different contexts, especially when you're referring to something close in distance. Remember, practice is key when learning a new language. So, keep practicing this in your conversations and writings, and soon it will become second nature to you. Happy learning!